Hello and welcome to the phone to computer tutorial on how to send data from your phone to your computer. If you do not know how we got to this current screen, I suggest you watch the previous tutorial on how to actually set up your phone and your computer so that the computer can receive data. Once everything is set up, all you have to do is click this start button in order to start receiving data. You'll get a text confirmation down below that says that you're receiving information from phones. To start off, I want to start by sending a picture. The picture is actually going to go to the default download location, which you specified up here, which is actually this folder right here. So I'm going to open it up and move it off to the side so that we can get a full screenshot of everything going on. I'm going to open my camera application and I'm going to go to pictures that I've already taken. I took a picture for this tutorial, which you'll see right here on the right side, and I'm going to long press it until I can have an option to share it, which is this option right here. So I'm going to click share. What's going to happen is it's going to prompt me with applications I want to share it with, and at this time I'm going to want to share it with phone to computer. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. It'll bring up a screen on what computers I want to send the picture to. Now, demo is the computer that we set up in the previous tutorial, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to uncheck the top one so that we only send it to this bottom demo computer. This is automatically checked because we selected that option when we set up the computer. When we have all the computers selected that we want to send the file to, we'll click Send Data to Computers. What you'll actually notice is that your server will actually start to receive data from your phone. You'll get a little text here, and when it's done, you'll actually see something that says Done Receiving File. And at this time, you can see that the picture has actually moved over into the folder and is completely downloaded. When we double click it, it will open the picture from the phone. Now we can do this with all sorts of things. If you have a camcorder app installed, you can send video. You can also send any text files, music files, pretty much any type of files that you can come across on your phone. You can send it to your computer and it'll actually show up in this download folder. The other thing we can send is we can actually send internet web pages to open at another time. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open my internet over here on my phone, and I'm going to have it open to Google News. Now I'm going to want to send this to my computer. Usually what happens in a given day, I open up a web page and it's very interesting, but I don't really want to read it on my phone screen because it's fairly small. So I want to send it to my computer so I can read it at a later time on a larger screen. To do this, all we'll have to do is long press this address bar up top, and then we'll be prompted with this option. We'll click Share Page, and once again we'll scroll down and we'll select the Phone to Computer app. When we select that, we'll pick which computers we want to send data to. I accidentally hit the button pretty fast, and you'll see that it will show up top here, and it opens. If you want to open a new link, we can just say we'll long press on this link here, and we'll actually be prompted to share the link by clicking this, and then we can select the application, and you'll see that the news article that we wanted to send will send. And this is what it opens. At the same time, we can also send pictures from the website directly to the phone. For this, we'll go to Google Images, and we will search for a nice picture of, let's say, Android. Now I want this picture from the internet to go on my computer because I like it. So I'm going to actually long press on this picture right here, and it'll open up a link to actually, this is going to open up a share link. There should be an option to save the picture. If we maybe open the picture, then probably have to open it first. and let's just go here, and I'm gonna long press on the image. There we go. And you're gonna get an option to say share image. And I'm gonna go ahead and click that, and I'm gonna send it via phone to computer. And what you'll actually see is that the image will be sent to your computer, and it'll be stored in the PTC download folder that I have here. We can open it up and oh, Internet Explorer. No one wants to open up Internet Explorer. But yeah, here we go. Here it is. The other thing that we might find useful is actually to open up to use a remote control on our computer. Now unfortunately, because of the video, I can't really show you in detail too much stuff about it, but I'll show you how you can go ahead and do it. And you open up the application phone to computer, and you'll click keyboard/mouse control. This will bring up a screen where you will check which computer you want to send the data control with your phone, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select demo, and you'll click start remote. Now anything you type in this text box here, your computer will automatically type. And this is a double click, left click, right click. And if you want to move your mouse, you can just drag your finger along this black part of the screen, and the mouse on your computer will actually move. It's highly suggested that you use Wi-Fi while doing this. If not, your mouse might be moving kind of choppy. And that pretty much sums up the basics of how to send data from your application to your computer. If you need any more help, you can feel free to email me or post comments on the application. Thank you for your time.